Today I'm going to show you guys how to mount this LG 55-inch TV. It's a smart TV. I just bought it. Mount right here. Alright, I have already fixed this mount. This mount is on this wall. It is a cabinet wall. I fixed this wall and I've drilled holes. Okay, there are 5 holes to be exact. One in the middle just to make sure it's strong. And I have done mounting this TV mount on this cabinet. So wood cabinet. Okay, I just drill holes and place this 4 bolts right here, the 5 bolts, yeah, sorry. And I have all the wires. Okay, there are 3 wires for the TV. One is the HDMI wire for my cable TV, the power cable, and also this is the LAN cable for my internet. Alright, so I have everything ready. Next, okay, for the next part I would just place all these brackets, the TV vertical brackets, onto the back of the TV. Okay, so if you could see here, this is the VESA of the TV. Okay, it is 400 by 400. It's the LG 55-inch TV. So I'm going to show you how to fix this. Okay, firstly, I've placed these bolts, the screws, and also these things to make sure that the brackets are lifted a bit from the TV. It's not too close to the TV. It looks nice in my opinion. If you don't want this, it doesn't matter. You don't have to put this. Okay, so first, what you got to do is you should bolt the lower one first. Okay, just choose a hole, place the screw, and place it into the TV. Alright. Alright, for the top one, you could adjust, you could see here, you could adjust this one to make sure it fits in the hole, alright? So, alright, so now I will place the top screw by adjusting based on the hole.
Like dabao, subscribe button dabao. Just looking like.
So we're done placing this, and I will place the next one and go to the next step. I'll show you, alright? Next, we're going to place the TV onto this mount, and for that, I would advise you to call help. You can't carry your TV, alright? For example, this TV right here is quite heavy. It's a 55-inch LG smart TV. It's quite heavy, so you could ask for help, alright? So to place the TV, first make sure you tilt your TV like this. Place the upper part of the mount, and then the lower part will be inserted automatically. You don't have to do that. So it's quite simple to place. Make sure it's in the middle, and this part here is actually the lock for the tilt functions. So make sure you choose a good tilt that is suitable for you, your eye level, and make sure this is tight so it is locked, and then you can start plugging in all your wires. Firstly, I have this HDMI wire. I'm going to plug it here on the HDMI slot. Make sure it is aligned properly and plug it in. Alright, this is a LAN wire for my internet connection, so make sure you know where to plug it and plug it properly onto the slot. There you go. Next, this is the power cable, so find where you should plug it, and yeah, found it. So plug it in, make sure it's tight so it doesn't come off, and there you go, you're done. The remote control for the TV, it's LG 55-inch smart TV, so I'm going to try switching it on, and in a few seconds you have your TV ready to be watched. I'll just change, and yeah, this remote control has a mouse function. So you're done. It looks nice, it's steady, it's strong, and see you guys later.